Hello YouTube. Wow, this is crazy for me. Fourth video. Wow, the first two you can't count. That's 1 and 2. Should have been 1. If I knew how to edit, it would have been 1. I'm going to get this lit up. Show you how us country folk light fire pits. Oh, dog's chasing a rabbit. Set you on what I'm going to burn. It's lovely stuff. It doesn't light worth a shit because it's watery ink. It's not real ink anymore, and it's recycled garbage. I don't want to burn it all. Something like that. And I'll be throwing that on there. I kind of rotted the bottom out. Just a cardboard barrel. I guess you can't leave them outside. Yeah. Little torch. And that's not what I wanted to show you. All of it. Get my drill out. Let me put my bit in. Scrappers take shit apart. This is new for me. Screwdriver bit. I'm putting something back together. I got this on my route. Little air conditioner. I think it's about a 5200, maybe 5000. Not 100% sure. See how black that is? The whole thing was that black. So I gave it a bath. I knew it worked. So I don't know if I'm breaking any scrapping codes here by putting it back together. We do have central air. Don't really need this, but we're going to use it in our bedroom. If I can get it done before it rains. Actually, I think it's already raining. Let's see where the holes line up. Like I said, I don't normally put these things back together. I usually just take them apart. I gotta get the screws. Parmesan. Okay, screw hole's gonna line up. Yeah, that will help. I'll put a drain hole in the back of it too. Yeah, I know I got gloves on. What a weenie, eh? Gotta remember where all these go. Back two were the biggest, I think. No, top two were the biggest because they go into plastic. No, they weren't. Those are the short little guys. There's some really short ones here. Yeah, I gave it a power wash. Happens to be the power washer I used is sold. So, the guy that wants the stove, he's coming tomorrow to get the wood stove. So that works out. Yeah, apartment scrapper said he can't really do resale. It's understandable. They don't have the room, right? Hello. Bees are flying around. Looks like the smell of my clean hair. I had a shower tonight, so. Okay. What do I have? Oh. I was wondering why I had 3 left over. Should only be 2. This one had an extra one on the side here. There we go. The other 2 are for this cover. Just like that. Somebody's beating something up out there. You hear the fire pit snapping and cracking. Okay, 2 little knobbies. One like that. One like that. There. They're on. Which way did you guys go on? I don't remember. Nope. Just like that. Okay. Yeah, put these on first. That's probably going to require bare hands, right? Try and get this on. Oh, I see. Okay. Like I said, I don't normally put shit together. I take it apart. Come on. This has to go on, otherwise it ain't gonna seal, right? It's easier to take it apart than it is to put it back together. There we go. Come on. There we go. That's the ticket. You go in there. You go in there. Ooh, I did it. Yay. Okay. You are complete. Complete. I know somebody who says that all the time. Complete. That's kind of cool. His wife does a lot of resale. Mike, why did you stop doing the resale? You used to go meet him at Kroger or whatever. You got sick and tired of doing that? Or was your wife just showing you up? Boom, something like that. Okay. Now the other option is to plug it in and try it out again. Right? Turn it off. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab the hydro cord. Yeah, you don't want to stare at that. I'll take you along. Hydro cord. Believe it or not, hydro cord is a homemade cord. I might have shown you that before. Nice and long. All I do is put a female end on it. This one. So, came off of a power washer. It's 15 amp, right? So it'll work as an appliance cord. See, I only have one plug there. I put that switch on there. See, the other one's a light switch. It operates that light. But I don't use that light anymore. I got solar power. Works just fine. Oh, look at that. We're missing out on a good fire. Oh, I'm gonna get this checked out first. Yeah, right there. Plug it in, plug it in. Oh, I heard the reset button go. I'm gonna keep popping that breaker, are you? Yep. I don't understand. Might have got too much water in it. So I washed it off too. Oh, you're running. Oh, you bugger. Might not like my hydro cord. Oh, that will glow nice and cold. Wow. You hear the compressor running. Turn the fan up. See? Arctic King. It was in a warehouse where they do a lot of grinding. You hear the compressor running. Wow, that's nice and cold. Works good. I'm thinking my hydro cord isn't heavy enough. Oh, feel the hot air coming out the back now. This is going to be a good little unit. Yeah, I power washed them fins and everything. I'm thinking my hydro cord's not heavy enough for the plug. It's done that on another air conditioner before too. Yes, it's going to work very well. Hang on a sec. Okay, whoop, whoop, whoop. I got my heat gun here. Look at that. 60 degrees coming out of there. 74 going in. 62, 63. 93 coming out the back. She's working great. 61, 60. I need to let you see it. 61. Oop. That's coming out of there. 90 in there. Oh, she just blew the breaker. I'm thinking my hydro cord isn't strong enough. But anyways, you seen that. Wow, that's a keeper. Heat gun never let me down yet. So, hydro cord wasn't heavy enough. My mistake. It was not off of a power washer. I do believe it was off of one of them pool pumps. Pool pumps don't take a lot. They're just those dinky little, but they got such nice cords on them. So it does run a shop vac, which is fine. So anyways, that was me today. Took it all apart, power washed it. Busy, busy, busy. It's a problem, I can't stand still. Can't sit still, whatever. Bins are handy. Right, Star? Hey? Bins are handy. Didn't pay for any of them. All free. It's the right price. Chair was free. Works great for putting stuff on. Setting up stuff. Whoa! That was the wrong move. Come on. There we go. Okay. That's that. Never seen a scrapper put shit together before. So, close her up. We're getting rain within the hour, so might not be out here very long. Enjoy. I'll show you what's going on. That's what we're gonna do, sit and enjoy it. I gotta take care of that, push all that stuff in. I got a pickaxe here. That's what that is. I just want the pick, I don't want the handle. That's east, so wind's coming out of the southwest. Perfect night for a fire. Okay, like, subscribe, and share.